Hello, I'm your friend Teacher Sam. Today I will teach you how to improve your English speaking skills and vocabulary. These skills are crucial, not only for communication in everyday life, but also in professional settings. For English learners, having a good command of speaking skills and a broad vocabulary is the cornerstone for effective communication. It takes your English from basic to brilliant, making you more confident and articulate. So, get ready to embark on an enlightening journey towards better English speaking and a stronger vocabulary. Before diving into the techniques, understanding the basics of the English language is fundamental. You see, the English language, like any other, is built upon a set of fundamental principles. These principles include the rules of grammar, the patterns of pronunciation, and a collection of commonly used words. Just imagine trying to construct a building without a solid foundation. It simply wouldn't stand the test of time. Similarly, trying to speak English fluently without understanding basic grammar rules would lead to a shaky conversation at best. These rules guide the way we arrange words to make meaningful sentences. Pronunciation, on the other hand, is the blueprint of our verbal expression. Understanding pronunciation rules helps us articulate words correctly, ensuring our speech is clearly understood. Lastly, we have commonly used words, the bricks of our language construction. Knowing these words can significantly enhance our ability to communicate effectively in everyday situations. Remember, a strong foundation paves the way for fluent English speaking and a rich vocabulary. Now, I will share some effective techniques to enhance your English speaking skills. Firstly, practicing pronunciation is crucial. It's not just about knowing words, it's about saying them correctly. A useful tip is to use a dictionary with phonetic transcriptions and listen to the pronunciation of words. You can also practice by repeating the sounds until you get them right. Secondly, reading aloud can significantly improve your speaking skills. When you read, you engage multiple senses, and this helps to cement knowledge. Choose a book, an article, or a news report and read it out loud. Pay attention to the rhythm and intonation of your speech. Next, have you ever thought about how listening to English music and podcasts can improve your speaking skills? Well, it does. Music helps with rhythm, stress, and intonation in language. Podcasts, on the other hand, can expose you to different accents, speech speeds, and vocabulary. Finally, chatting with native speakers is one of the best ways to improve your speaking skills. It gives you real-time feedback and helps you to understand different accents and colloquial terms. Don't be shy. Every conversation is a step towards improvement. Remember, becoming proficient in English speaking doesn't happen overnight. It requires patience, practice, and a positive attitude. Consistent practice with these techniques will surely enhance your speaking skills. Next, I will guide you through some strategies to expand your English vocabulary. Let's dive right in. First on the list is reading widely. This means not limiting yourself to a single genre or type of content. Explore novels, newspapers, blogs, and even scientific journals. Each source offers a unique set of words that you might not encounter elsewhere. The second strategy is using flashcards. Yes, it might seem old school, but it's a technique that has stood the test of time for a reason. Write down a new word on one side of the card and its meaning on the other. Review these cards regularly, and soon enough, these new words will become a part of your mental lexicon. Thirdly, try learning synonyms and antonyms. This not only expands your vocabulary, but also improves your understanding of words by seeing how they relate to others. For instance, if you learn that big is a synonym for large and small is an antonym, you have not only learned 3 words, but also some of their contextual usage. Lastly, don't be shy about using new words in your daily conversation. Practice makes perfect, and the best way to reinforce your memory of a new word is to use it. You might not get it right the first time, but don't let that discourage you. Every mistake is a step towards mastery. Remember, a rich vocabulary is a treasure that will serve you for a lifetime. To summarize today's lesson, We've explored various techniques to enhance your speaking skills and strategies to expand your vocabulary. Remember, the key to improvement lies in consistent practice. Regularly engage in conversations, read widely, and don't shy away from new words. This journey may seem daunting, but with diligent practice and a positive attitude, you can improve your English speaking skills and vocabulary. Keep practicing and soon you'll see the results. This is Teacher Sam signing off. Until next time.